A helicopter rises from rest on the ground vertically upwards with a constant acceleration g. A food packet is dropped from the helicopter when it is at a height h. The time taken by the packet to reach the ground is close to. So the initial velocity of the helicopter is equal to 0, acceleration is equal to g, and let's assume it reaches a velocity v at height h. V square is equal to u square plus 2as, so we'll simply put in the values. V square is equal to 0 square plus 2gh, or v is equal to root 2gh. When the packet is thrown from a height h, let's assume the velocity of the helicopter to be positive. S is equal to ut plus half at square, so the height and acceleration of the packet will be in the negative direction. Therefore, we'll take them as negative. So minus h is equal to v into t minus half gt square. We'll put in the value of v. So minus h is equal to root 2gh into t minus half gt square. We'll multiply the whole equation with 2 and rearrange the terms. So gt square minus 2 into root 2gh into t minus 2h is equal to 0. We'll use the formula to solve the quadratic equation. So t is equal to 2 into root 2gh plus minus root 8gh plus 8gh upon 2g, which gives us root 2gh plus 2 into root gh upon g, which equals root of 2h upon g plus 2 into root h by g. We'll take root h by g common, so root 2 plus 2. This is equal to 3.4 into root h by g. So the correct answer is option 1.